gotta start wearing eyeshadow again. This is looking kind of good. Oh wow, I haven't worn eyeshadow all of 2023. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I can finally say that. I'm so excited. It's been like 10 years that I've wanted to make YouTube videos, and I'm finally here on YouTube. Like and subscribe. So this video is about something that everybody asks me every day, which is how can you get started in real estate. So I hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all the other good stuff, and we'll see you. Hey, this is by no means a makeup tutorial, baby. Don't come on here if you want. Maybe I should do a makeup tutorial at some point. I don't know how to do makeup, but I know how to do mine. Here are 5 tips if you want to get started in real estate investing. The first one, I'm going to say work on your mindset. Mindset work is a daily exercise, just like physical exercise, right? You go jogging every morning or 5 days out the week, you should be exercising your mindset every single day, right? Set your intentions, write down your goals, right? Set goals, write them down. Don't just talk about them and share them with friends. Write them down, right? And set strategies to meet them. I will also say you have so many courses at landoverlabels.com to help you get started. Our Money Club membership is opening back up. You have your business credit course. It's a 3-hour course. It's bomb. Home ownership course. For those of us that are entrepreneurs and we know we're not filing our taxes right, we have a course called From Entrepreneurship to Home Ownership. That was created just for us as entrepreneurs so that we can get into home ownership. So several courses. Like I stated earlier, clean up your credit. Your credit and your mindset are your foundation, right? Without a solid foundation, you cannot build. You cannot scale. You cannot buy multiple properties if your credit is not there and your mindset is not there. So those are the foundational things. The last foundational thing that I would suggest, get a mentor. This business and most businesses are about relationships. I leveraged that relationship to create a portfolio that ended up being, scaled fast just because his knowledge, his experience, his expertise became mine. And so get a mentor. Hey, shameless plug, landoverlabels.com. Our VIP mastermind days are in February and May, and then we have so many other events coming up. Our retreat is in August in Tulum. I'm super excited about that. And our 5-year anniversary of Landover Labels seminar event is April 1st and 2nd. So thank you for coming to watch me. I still ain't finished this makeup. One of these days I'm a master talking and doing it at the same time. Okay, see, I done fucked up. Can I say fucked up on here? I done fucked up my damn contour. Y'all know it's the worst when you excuse my language, when you mess up your contour. Now my nose will go crooked. I'm gonna master this. Y'all know when I commit, I commit. That's my word for the year. And I do also suggest that pick one word for this year. Like, what's your theme of the year? My theme this year is commitment. Because I tend to overextend myself and try to do so many things. So this year I'm gonna commit. I'm committing to you guys on this YouTube channel. And I'm committing to learn how to do makeup on here while I talk. But if you did enjoy it, even though I'm looking a little crazy, watch it. They was out there arguing. That's how she said. They was out there arguing. They was talking some bad talk. I'm like, oh no. And Miss Loretta be like, no, I know some people on Instagram remember this. Miss Loretta gonna text me and blow my phone up talking about my guest was over here smoking loud. Miss Loretta, how do you know that vocabulary? How do you know the jargon? Smoking loud. I was like, what? Is the window open? She's like, yeah, the window's open and I think they in there smoking loud. Miss Loretta. So everybody say, I ain't say it, but everybody on Instagram say Miss Loretta is the messy one. In case Miss Loretta sees this video. I didn't say it. They said that. They said that. And here comes Miss Barbara walking up in here. So you guys, if you have a white door to your house, like a back door or a side door, like those white doors, and they look like cruddy or nasty, you feel like you want to replace the door, paint it. So I took the door off and I was getting it painted black, matte black, and it looked so much better. But while it was off, Miss Barbara just tipped up in my house. She's like, India. I'm like, oh, I heard somebody. Who was that? And it's Miss Barbara. And so she's walking past all the plants and she's like, India, your plants dry as a bone. And I was like, I didn't even ask you to come in here. I'm like, what? But I appreciate Miss Barbara and Miss Loretta because they be in the business, which means they keep an eye out. And I'm not always here. I'm very often not here. So I get all the tea from Miss Loretta, Miss Barbara, and Mr. Theo, my grass guy.